Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to apply dark theme or light theme on calculator app on Windows 11. There are two methods that you can use on Windows 11 to apply a dark or light theme on calculator app. Let me start with first one. So first right click on this free space on the desktop and select here personalize. Then click themes on the right. Here you can select Windows Dark to apply dark mode for all the apps that ships with your Windows 11. The next method is open calculator app on your Windows 11 machine and then click on this one navigation, then select settings. Here under appearance section you will see app themes, click on it. Here by default you will see use system settings. According to your needs you can select light to enable light theme and dark for dark theme on your Windows 11 calculator. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel GearUpWindows, do hurry up. A lot of amazing tutorials are awaiting for you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.